This dish right here is an interesting one, spaghetti Napolitan. It has its origins in Yokohama and is usually made with ketchup. But I think there's a better way to make it without ketchup that still captures the essence of what this dish is. So here's how I make spaghetti Napolitan. This dish is super quick, and it only requires a few basic ingredients. Let's slice a half of an onion thinly, 2 cloves of garlic. I usually chop garlic for a tomato sauce, but in this case we want them to keep their shape like this. Next, a couple of small green peppers. Use what you have regardless of the size, of course. These I'll cut off the tops and remove the seeds. Then slice into thin rings like this. If you have a large bell pepper, thin strips would be fine instead. And for the protein, we'll use some sausage. And then we have everything prepped and ready to go. We'll cook the sauce in the time it takes to boil the pasta, so let's get a large frying pan and the water on. Don't forget to salt the water. Heat a little olive oil in the pan, and let's first cook the sausage so it gets a little color on it. The fat from the sausage will also help coat and flavor the onions. This is looking good right here. Remove once and add in the sliced onions. Salt and let the onions caramelize in that sausage fat. In the meantime, our water has come to a boil. Drop in your spaghetti. Yes, this pot is a little small, but I like it for single-sized portions. Once the onions are soft and fragrant, add in the rest of the veggies. Once those soften too, we can add back in the sausage. Okay, so I mentioned this is usually made with ketchup, but would you look at that, I don't really have any ketchup anyway. Instead, I'm going to use tomato paste. It has a much more concentrated tomato flavor without all that added sugar. Let's add 2 tablespoons of this, which is half of what we would need if we were to use ketchup. Give it a good stir so everything is coated. Once the pasta is 80% cooked, toss it into the frying pan and give it a splash of pasta water. Stir it in so the pasta is nicely coated. To see if it's ready, give the pasta a taste. And it's good. Serve in a large dish. Grate over some cheese and sprinkle with some chopped parsley. And there we have spaghetti Napolitan. Hope you give it a try at home. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more home cooking recipes just like this.